Salman, talking
sir.
about, yeah, Salman, Lipika.
जी
Namaskar.
नमस्कार.
Talking about the childlike quality, you have one in you. Would you like to expose it to the media
मेरे में एक
today?
चाइल्ड है.
Not that
मैं
one,
उसी को जन्म
not
दे
the
दूं.
9 month wala, not the childlike quality. And how have you maintained the
You know, but
innocence?
just
How have you
innocence से मुझे हाँ
innocence
वही
intact?
वही. It's there.
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Would you like
This
to?
is where the innocence is. Innocence से हमको when we were showing, I'll take name also. Yeah. So no, but it's a superb name to take. So मैंने प्यार किया was just complete the rush stage. So I was calling all my friends and everybody. I was to work out at the Sea Rock. So everyone from Sea Rock came. So Zinat Aman was there. She used to work out there at the Sea Rock. She at that point in time was married to Mazhar Khan. So I said, come and see the film, Zinat ji. So she came to see the film. She came out of the film. She says, I said, what? This is childish. It's not a love story. So I said, why do you say that? He said, I'm going to shut my eyes and you are rubbing Idex on the ankle. So I said, because the scene was actually such that she got hurt below her knee, but Bhagishi said that I will not show my knee. So I think from there, Mai ni Mai Munde. ये गाना आया. So we had it on the ankle. But this is ridiculous. I can understand कि mid-thigh पर, and you rubbing, and there you say that, that I'll shut my eyes. I can understand that. But ankle and... I told him. He said, but now what to do? That happened. So Bhagyashree unknowingly has contributed a lot to our thing. There came a kiss thing. So I said, kiss, abhi kaise karunga? I said, Suraj Babu, I'm slightly uncomfortable with it. He said, you're uncomfortable? So I can still convince. She is still refusing to do it. So refusing? This is a love story. This is, that one kiss. Not thodi ke, there's no spit swapping happening there. There's no smooching happening there. It's just that. So I said, that? Okay. That much, just one. That much. So, this is a Rajshri film, yeah? So, I said, okay, chalo. She said, no. So, walking around. What he does. Then now the belt is gone shorter. One belt used to be going throughout. Then one pen used to be here. Oh, pura ink yahan par gira hua hai. Walking. 2 20-year-olds walking. One walking this side, one walking that side. He said, done. Does not need to do it. Huh? कांच लेके आओ. I said, this is brilliant. So that कांच has come because then came short dress. She had agreed to wear the short dress. Now she's getting married. So no short dress. Himalaya mountain is written on there. I said, मेरी बीवी short dress नहीं पहनेगी. So I said, ये लो. So I said, now what to do? So I said, me getting angry, blank, he thinking, angry. That's it. Done. He says, your heroine is for your eyes. My wife is for my eyes. Nobody needs to see. वो रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा लेके आओ. What's that? वो फोल्डिंग वाला रिफ्लेक्टर होता था. तो गोल्ड रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा काटे उन लोग ने 2 को ज्वाइन किया और पीछे से दिखाया कि ये शॉट है. And they were like...
No, but honestly, what he and Bhagyashree did really made the film, because you suddenly know that this is Maryada. Nothing works better anywhere than Grace,